Hello?
Hello, Secret Agent 002. We have received threats from a mysterious, dark figure that claims MC windows and doors are under attack. You need to think of a way to make them stronger. Your team has already been selected.
Don't worry, my team and I will investigate.
Oh no!
What should we do? How are we going to get doors and windows that can withstand 15 minutes of mob-style attack?
Wait, there's already a solution. Hard architectural security products. Let's go.
Our mission is we believe in keeping people safe. Our products are installed all over the world in some high threat locations where people put their lives on the line just going to work every day.
How long do these products take to make?
The products themselves can take from months to years, depending on the application.
Oh no, but we need them now.
Well, right here, we have this product right here ready to go.
Okay.
Guys, better hurry. Well, I saw the villain trying to thwart our window and door production.
I find manufacturing cool, working with your hands, making something, and at the end taking pride in knowing I made that.
At Oregon, they use cutting-edge technology such as this CMM to make sure every detail is precise.
Even like I said, an 1/8 or a 1/16 of an inch, that could cause some issues with the safety of the product. So our parts are very, very exact. Our quality is very important here.
Agents, I need you to keep moving. The bad guy is going through the production process, causing havoc. We have seen him in sanding, painting, and welding. Remember, details matter.
I'm more proud working at Hardin because of the products that we manufacture actually protect and save lives.
Products we make help keep people secure and safe, and being a part of that feels really great to do.
Stop right there! Let's snap! Hands behind your back! You're under arrest!
You did it. You kept everyone safe and learned what's so cool about manufacturing at the same time. Keep up with the great work, team.